What I really wanted to get done today is get this front end all torn apart. Now coming up, we're gonna have to get a lot of this stuff out of our way. Continuing away on this damn blazer, bro. So today I'm wanting to obviously attack all these parts that we got pulled off of the front end. We got to get them cleaned up because the frame is ready for all this stuff to be installed, but you know damn well we ain't going to install this shit with it looking like this, you know what I'm saying? So I'm getting a little bit of a late start in the day to work on this stuff. Believe me, I've been working all day. Got the booth all cleaned up. I had to go through this damn sandblasting box and clean it up so I'm actually able to see through there. Fix the lights, clean out the vacuum. Like, dude, I've been spending the entire day just getting ready for this point, and here I am, ready to sandblast, and guess what? I'm looking at this stuff like, this stuff is not ready to be sandblasted, bro. I can't just throw that in the blast cabinet, you know what I mean? Yeah, this stuff needs to be pressure washed, so having it out here in the spray booth, getting ready for sandblasting is just not the right move right now. With the 4400 PSI of fury. Just in time. Yeah, it's raining. But you know where it doesn't matter if it's raining at? In the booth, because we're dry. Dude, it's actually kind of like whenever you don't have to worry about the booth leaking and everything getting wet in here, it's kind of a vibe out here whenever it's raining because, you know, the sound of the rain, just chilling, doing your work. The hubs all need to be taken apart. I got to get the calipers and everything off. I need to remove the shocks off of the lower control arm. I need to remove the ball joints off of all of them, but I'm going to go ahead and start on the upper control arms because while we do need to remove those ball joints, I don't really give a shit right now. I just want to start sandblasting. Well, really? Shut up. You too. Well, I broke the nozzle on my sandblaster. I have the nozzle off of my air nozzle to see if it would work, but it wasn't working. I was trying everything, but anyhow, I'm having a problem with water in the line, so I had one dryer in on the shelf over there, and I put that on there, and as you can see, the beads are already pink. Like that didn't take long at all. There's just so much humidity in the air right now. Anyhow, that's how far I got on that one. Didn't even do the back yet. Jeez, man. I guess I can try to go through and do it all with a wire wheel, but it's just so hard to get down inside of there and get every single little bit, you know? But gonna have to do it old school, I don't know. Oh, anyhow, the problem I was having was the water in the line, so I put this dryer on there. That didn't last long, so then I started getting water in the line again, and what it's doing is it's clogging up the gun. Like whenever the media gets wet in here, like it just kind of packs inside of the gun. So what I was doing is every so often I was banging it and pulling the trigger to blow the stuck stuff out of there, and the last time I banged it a little bit too hard. There's my broken nozzle. It's the only one I got too, so son of a bitch. Anyhow, I haven't even mentioned to you guys yet, I grabbed the other lower control arms from the side of the house that I originally had from the other truck. These are the ones off of the Blazer. Reason being, the control arm bushings are pretty much shot. I mean, they don't have play quite yet, so they still would have worked. But the ones that are on these control arms are in a lot better condition. They're not all freaking bulging out like that. I would just replace them, but I mean, why replace them whenever these ones are freaking good still? Like, gotta save a little bit of money here and there as much as I can. Still have quite a bit of stuff that I have to get for that Blazer. So anyhow, I guess at this point, I'm going to start trying to get all these ball joints out. So I gotta get those out. These ones I'm gonna have to drill, because they have the factory rivets in them still. I already have new upper ball joints. I do not have new lowers, so I'll have to run and buy some. I wanted to show you guys this really quick. I do have this dryer that one of you guys actually sent out to me, but the problem is that these ends right here are freaking huge, bro. They don't fit like, look, I found one reducer. So they don't fit like standard air compressor fittings. You know what I'm saying? I found this one reducer to actually do one side, but I only have the one. I don't have two. Who knows, man? I was trying to make this work. See? See? Good thing I had my nuts covered. The nut doesn't want to come off of this one, so I wasn't able to set it up like I did the last one, but I'm gonna go grab some vice grips and make this damn thing come off. So that's the plan right there. I'm just gonna knock the heads off of these little rivets with my little pneumatic angle grinder. It's a 60 grit pad on there, and yeah, it's making cake work of that, dude. It's basically brand new now, you know what I'm saying? Alright, one more. Bye. Things are all covered with ball joint grease now. Oh. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, I expected that to fall right out. Oh. So left and right control arms are an exact mirror of one another. So what it is I'm gonna do is the one that I already cut, I'm going to actually mark it with the template on the back side. And I'm not just going to mark it. What I'm actually gonna do is just cut this out. So I applied my tape in order to make the template on the back side. So now the mirrored image one, I'll just flip this over like so and move it over to here. So this bump stop might get in the way. Excuse me. Oh, like somebody did a burnout in here. Yep, that's pretty close, dude. Close as we're gonna get. Ain't gotta be perfect. Woo! Good thing I had my nuts covered. Today has been a complete and total freaking shit show, man. Most certainly has not been a good day. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm enjoying myself, but most certainly I'm not getting done what it is I want to get done. So, oh, by the way, did you guys think for a second that I wasn't gonna want to get a little bit more travel out of the Blazer too? But yeah, if you guys don't know, if you guys didn't see the video when I did this to the upper control arms on the S10, getting rid of the bump stops and cutting this hole allows this control arm to travel downwards like, God, I think it's like 2.5, 3 inches that you gain. But yeah, if you go back in the videos, I explain it in a little bit more detail whenever we're actually doing this conversion to the upper control arms for the truck. I want to get this a lot better than this. Like, honestly, I want to finish sandblasting them. So yeah, I need to get this thing back up and operational before I can really move forward with this, because it just, even with a combination of wire brushes and stuff, you can't get into every little crevice, man. Like, I'll be out here for 2 more days trying to get it done with that. But anyhow, guys, I'm pretty much running out of time for today. I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video and throw it up for you guys. This goes to show, sometimes the days don't go quite as you plan them. So hopefully tomorrow is a better day and we get all the control arms and everything painted. What can I say? It's all a process, man. I'm sure you guys can relate. Anyhow, since today was kind of such a bummer video, I guess I'll give you guys a little bit of a teaser. I've been recording some footage like on the side, doing some work to pops. Nothing major yet, nothing major, but you guys probably don't even know. Comment down below if you can notice a difference. Yeah, I doubt you guys even know. But anyhow, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do smash the like button. I'm gonna spend the rest of the day running around trying to get that damn sandblaster working properly. Peace out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.